Overland Park is making changes to roadways many people use in and around their neighborhoods. KMBC9's Dennis Evans is in Overland Park to tell us what this means for OP drivers. Dennis.
Yes, last night the City Council here in Overland Park unanimously decided to move forward with the requirement that would make it required to have concrete roads in residential neighborhoods instead of the asphalt that you typically see on the road. If you're driving through Overland Park, you will soon notice that the streets that look like this will soon look like this.
This is a move we've been looking at for most of the year.
And now the move is official. Asphalt chip seal roads are out. Concrete is in, required of any new residential road being built in the city.
Our Public Works Department did a large kind of community engagement, both from industries, neighbors, neighborhood groups to kind of see what the feeling is. Generally, we've had really positive feedback on the concrete streets that we have already built.
The project will require more upfront cost to builders, but in the long run, the overall cost is about the same. Besides the smoother look, there's also another benefit.
Instead of over the next 50 years, construction crews in your neighborhood 5 to 7 times, you might see them maybe 3 times.
And that is definitely good news. This road that we're standing on right here is one of the neighborhoods that's been redone by the city. And you can see it's much smoother, especially on the curves. Of course, it's a brand new road, so it looks good. Now, as they said, over the next 50 years, this will require a lot less maintenance. But over the 50 years, whether it's concrete or asphalt, the actual cost is the same. Live in Overland Park, Dennis Evans, KMBC9 News.